Hi, I'm the Grow Boss. I write the Grow Book and Equipment Guide. And if you want to know what the best products for rooting and growing your cuttings and clones are, all you have to do is keep watching this video. But if you want to see the proof of what I'm about to show you, then you need to click the link or watch The Great Root Race, a 5-part series where we actually mix and use the biggest root boosting products you see on the shelves of your local hydro store. That way we can see once and for all what really blows your roots up.
Okay, this is episode 1, week 1, day 1 of the Great Root Race. And as you can see, it was specifically designed to test all the root boosting products that you see on the shelves of your local hydro store. And we did that by starting 12 trays of 50 basil seeds and Root Riot starter plugs, and then carefully watering and recording everything that happened and reporting on it to show you. And this is episode 2, week 2, day 14. And this was our first of 3 feedings. So we really went over how to mix and feed and water with all of the products, including the Clonex solution. Okay, this is episode 3, week 3, day 21, and this is where it really starts to get exciting, because this is our second feeding. And the starts are 3 weeks old now. And when we compare the roots of the Clonex solution tray to the roots of the control tray that didn't get anything, you can see how important it is that you add Clonex solution right from the start. And this is just week 3. And now this is week 4, episode 4, day 28. And if you thought it was obvious in week 3 how much better the plants were doing, check out the Clonex starts. Look at how much bigger they are. And check out the roots on the Clonex starts. And look at how much bigger they are when compared to that control tray. Okay, finally, week 5, episode 5, day 35. And remember, these plants haven't been fed for the last week. And just check out the roots on the Clonex solution tray. And remember, we didn't add anything but Clonex solution to this tray. And check out how bushy the tops look. They're fantastic. It makes it look like the tray that didn't get anything is a joke. And that's why you should always start with Clonex solution whenever you're growing. Check that out. That's the kind of blow your shit up that growers dream about. Clonex solution blows your shit up. Because whether you believe growing is about the nutrients or the lights or your friend's secret sauce, I think we can all agree that plants with roots like these will outgrow plants with roots like these every day of the week, veg or flower.
And if you want to find the closest hydro store that sells Clonex products, or any of the other products we're testing in the Great Root Race, or you want more information about my book, The Grow Book and Equipment Guide, just click the link in the video or go to thegrowboss.com. And remember, Clonex solution and Green Fuse root boosting solution really blows your shit up.